Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background on your live on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, open the app and at the bottom of the screen, you can see there's 5 options: live, video, chats, me, and blue video like icon. Now tap on that video like icon and select live, and then right beside go live you have to tap on effect. Then you can see this background option. Select a background. Once you select a background, you go back and go live. And guys, that's it. That's how you add background to your live on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.